here coming, and when you talk Bonasies, I feel like it's a done deal. I'd want you to insist it's a proposal. I'm not trying to help you what to say, but it feels like already we are there. But let's have the vice chair. Then after that, we have members of the committee. Explain the process that was followed in arriving at the decision to award the privately initiated proposal to Adani Commercial Limited.
Again, Honorable Chair, here KAA has not, like we've said, awarded any contract to Adani Holding. However, a PIP is an unsolicited proposal. Any private party can submit a PIP to a contracting authority like JKI at any time under that PPP Act. Once a PIP is received, it's taken through the due process, like I did earlier explain, which includes the initial due diligence evaluation and all those 20 processes that I highlighted earlier. Number 11, Chair.
State the fate of employees at JKIA, and if you remember very well, that's why they were agitating with the demonstration. State the fate of employees at JKIA after Adani Commercial Limited takes over.
Honorable Chair, the head of terms, which is in section 3.3 of the documents I submitted to honorable members, state that the concessionaire will make an offer to the existing JKIA employees with equal or better terms to the existing terms of employment. Joining Adani will be voluntary for the employees. They will have the option to ascend to Adani or to stay with KAA, which will be managing the other airports, or to take a voluntary exit package, which has also been provided as a third option. There will be a 3-year interim management period during which the facility will be jointly managed by KAA and the concessionaire for hand holding. But more importantly, though I didn't capture here, let me also say that, Chair, we are negotiating under the human resource to ensure that the CEO for this new entity will be Kenyan, the human resource director will be Kenyan, and more importantly, 90%, up to 90% of employees will be Kenyans, and moving over a period of 2 years to 100%.